Hey guys, what's up again? I'm gonna get to all the stuff on the trailer real quick, but we just finished the job. Did 2 jobs already this morning. It's 11:30 in the morning. 2 jobs, decent size. Efficiency, guys, is number 1. Okay, we are set up now. I'm set up with the softwash system and 2 8-gallon minute machines to operate with 3 guys efficiently. And guys, you blow through jobs. We sanded a job this morning, paver job that we did yesterday. We washed part of the house that was there. We just did a house just now that we had to do the whole entire house, 2,200 square foot home, regular size home, complete soft wash. We did all the pavers on the driveway. We did the fence around the entire yard, probably, 200 foot of fencing, vinyl fence. It's just, when you set yourself up for efficiency, everything works out so much better. Yeah, so when you set yourself up with big equipment, big machines, a big buffer tank, and you guys can operate efficiently, you can get more jobs done a day. That means more money in your pocket, okay? The first couple of years I was doing it, like most of everybody else that does it, guys, you get the smaller equipment, you're doing it by yourself. Maybe you got a helper, you got a 3.5-gallon machine. It's hold on, I'm back in my trailer up. It's time consuming. You got a little surface cleaner, you get the bigger equipment, and then you are ready to go. Yeah, so now, like I said, we're set up with the air system, and then we're set up with the 2 8-gallon minute machines, and we can bang through jobs. We could bang out, 2 giant jobs in a day, 3 big jobs, and like 4 normal sized jobs in a day, guys. And believe me, for me, that's more than plenty. I don't need any more than that. So that's just a quick thought, guys. Efficiency is number 1. We have 2 guys pretty much operating now. I got a helper, and that's it. That's pretty much how we operate now, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get you guys going in a few minutes. We just pulled up to another job right now. I'm going to show you the whole setup, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, welcome back. Sorry, it's a little bit loud here. I got my guys working. I'm going to show you the air system and everything we got going. Okay. All right, so there it is, the air system. It's a 10-gallon a minute. Low jet pump. Got the GF valve on it. This is my bleach line. My drop stick isn't long enough to reach my tank, so I'm actually keeping track of my bleach now. So I've been filling that up and just leaving that in there. It's not a big deal. Okay. Got the 2 8-gallon a minute machines, as usual. Truck's nice and wrapped. We also got the soap tank, which is 12 or 16 gallons, I believe it's used for. Works out really well. Pulls from this little quarter-inch line right here, the 3/8 line. To the manifold. Got the tsunami separator on there. Works out really nice. So yeah, we've only been using it for about a week or so now, and I did like the 12 volt. Don't get me wrong. I started having some problems with it. I just really got fed up. But I think it outperforms the 12 volt a little bit. Not by a crazy amount, by no means, but I think it outperforms it by a little bit. That's pretty much it. It comes over to the other side. So that's where my box was. Now we got just a tight hose reel. Connect it right to there. And we're good to go. Sorry guys, it's a little loud. Yeah, so like I was saying, the soft wash system, the one from Doug that I just got, been using it for about 2 weeks now, and it's been working out really well. Yeah, so we just did this 2,000 square foot house. I maybe in and out, and probably within, half hour, 40 minutes, washing the entire house. And 2 machines going and the soft wash system. My guys rinsing right now. They had a patio in the back. They even didn't even say anything about getting that done. Oh my God, like just do it so quick. Yeah, it was a little patio in the back. It was all dirty. I was like, you know what, just do it. It'll take, took them 5 minutes to do with the whistle wash with the 8 gallon in the machine. And that's pretty much it, guys. Any questions or anything like that, I'll give you another video once we shut this thing off and I can talk a little louder. But that's pretty much it. Any questions, like, subscribe, and hope you guys are doing good. Thanks.